Here are some unique accessories that are designed to be used with vinyl siding. Dual undersill trim is used in the same way as standard finish trim, underneath windows or maybe at the top of a wall, for example. But because it has two slots instead of one, it takes the guesswork out of whether or not you'll need to bump out your finish trim to keep the siding profile angles correct. The board and batten trim is used to separate between courses of vertical siding, since these profiles cannot be overlapped at a seam. A great feature of this piece is its built-in flashing, which makes installation quick and easy as well as functional. It can also be used to separate between other profiles of siding, and it's also available in a wider pocket to accept insulated siding panels. The Shake Finish Trim is just that. It's a finish trim for the Portsmouth Shake panels. You would use this to secure ripped panels underneath windows or doors or at the top of a wall, for example. Using a snap lock tool, create snap lugs about every 6 to 8 inches or so and snap the panel into the finish trim, making sure that those lugs snap into place securely.